Nancy, and today we'll see what is the message, what's happening in our twin flame journey. Here we go. We'll see the masculine's energy and the feminine energy as well as the neutral energy, okay? So we have the masculine, we have the feminine, and we have the neutral energy. Then we'll see what does the masculine needs to tell to the feminine. I love doing this. Okay, we have two cards here, and we'll see what does the feminine needs to tell to the masculine. Okay, it's one card. So we have the masculine energy. Okay, the masculine is completely in love. At this moment, your masculine is missing you so much, divine feminine. He is missing you and wanting you. He wants to see you. He wants to meet you. He wants to, he wants to share his emotions to you. His joy, his happiness with you, and he's missing you. He's thinking of you. I am writing a message and I want to send it to you, but he's writing it and he's thinking, and he's just thinking that he wants to send to you because he's feeling overwhelmed with your love. He is missing you so much. He is missing you so very much. That's so beautiful. As well as I am thinking about kissing you. So your masculine is really missing you so much today. And let's see what's your energy. Okay, your energy is the judgment. You are waiting for some kind of answer from your masculine. You are waiting for some kind of, you want to know something from your masculine. So you're waiting for the judgment. And you are saying, heal your inner self, balance it. So you are telling telepathically, okay, in the 5D to your masculine, heal your inner self, balance it. Okay, so that's what you are trying to say. So let's see what is happening in your journey. Okay, in your journey there is a little bit stuck situation. There is no movement happening right now in your journey, in your twin flame journey. So there is a bit of stuck situation. As well as we have circle of life. Okay, so there is a lot of things with your masculine and which you are trying to understand in your journey of twin flame. This is what is the neutral energy. Where is your twin flame leading you to, or where are you leading you to your twin flame is in this beautiful journey of circle of life. So whatever you are doing, you know how this works, you know what you need to do. So everything is in the feminine hand. Yes, it's in your divine feminine hand. It's on your healing. When you start doing healing, you know it very well, but you are guiding your masculine. That's a very beautiful message, because you're guiding your masculine to come and, take the cup which you have, so you can offer the cup to each and other. And it's very beautiful because your masculine is saying that I want to write out to you, but I am not writing out because I just don't know how to express myself. I know I miss you so much. I think of kissing you, but it's so difficult for me to just come and approach to you at this moment. So this is the message for the twin flames. I love you. God bless you. Bye.